Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cell phone mounts for F-150 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the eZord phone mount, which is specifically designed for Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020, as well as the Expedition and Super Duty. This mount stands out for its sturdy aluminum build and 360-degree rotation, offering excellent durability and flexibility. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4 to 7 inches, even with cases, making it a versatile option for most users. The eZord mount secures firmly onto the vent bezel, giving you peace of mind even on bumpy roads. Its robust grip ensures your phone stays in place no matter the terrain. The 360-degree rotation allows you to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly, which is particularly useful for navigation and hands-free calls. The included installation wrench makes setup quick and easy. On the downside, its vent-mounted design may not suit everyone, especially if you want to keep air flowing freely. Additionally, it's only compatible with specific Ford models, so double-check your vehicle's compatibility. Overall, the eZord is a solid choice for those seeking a durable, vent-mounted phone holder tailored to Ford vehicles. Coming in at number 4 is the KOQIEY upgraded vent aluminum phone mount. This model is designed with a full metal arm, offering 20 times the strength of standard phone mounts, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts and those who encounter rugged conditions. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones from 2.3 to 3.54 inches wide, and fits Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020, as well as the Expedition and Super Duty. The KOQIEY mount features a 360-degree panoramic rotation, allowing for optimal viewing angles. The heavy-duty aluminum alloy construction ensures it can handle rough terrain, while the easy installation process means you'll be set up in minutes without any drilling. Unlike some vent mounts, this model is designed to avoid blocking airflow or obstructing visibility, which is a big plus. However, its bulkier design might not appeal to users who prefer a more discreet option. Additionally, while it's highly durable, its premium build comes at the cost of slightly more weight. If you're looking for a tough, reliable phone mount that can withstand extreme conditions, the KOQIEY is a fantastic option. At number 3, we have the Surf Cabin CNC vent phone holder. This magnetic mount is designed with precision craftsmanship, featuring a CNC 6061 aluminum alloy frame that ensures durability and a sleek appearance. It's compatible with Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020, and Super Duty models up to 2021. The magnetic clamp uses 10 N42 magnets, offering strong and reliable phone attachment. The Surf Cabin mount rotates 45 degrees left and right, providing flexibility for adjusting viewing angles. Its lightweight design doesn't obstruct airflow or vent movement, making it a convenient choice for users who want a minimalistic setup. The package also includes a 2-in-1 magnetic phone holder and clamp, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred mounting style. While the magnetic design is convenient, users with heavier phones or thick cases may find the magnetic strength less effective. Additionally, it's not compatible with Lariat or King Ranch models with Sync 4 infotainment screens. If you're looking for a premium magnetic mount with a small footprint, this is a great option. In second place is the Surf Cabin Dash Mount Phone Holder, designed for Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020, and Super Duty models up to 2022. This dash-mounted phone holder offers an incredibly stable setup, thanks to its all-metal construction and screw-locking mechanism. It's perfect for users who need a secure mount for off-road adventures or bumpy roads. The Surf Cabin Dash Mount features a 360-degree adjustable phone clamp, allowing for flexible viewing angles. Its design integrates seamlessly with the dashboard, offering a factory-like appearance. The installation process is straightforward, with options for adhesive or screw mounting depending on your preference. Plus, it comes with comprehensive accessories, including cleaning kits and a plastic pry bar. While this mount is highly durable and stable, its installation process might feel a bit involved for users who prefer simplicity. Additionally, its dash-mounted design may not appeal to those who prioritize vent-mounted options. For users seeking a professional-grade, ultra-stable phone mount, the Surfcabin dash mount is a top pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kaishengyuan magnetic vent phone mount. This mount is a standout for its robust design and exceptional magnetic strength, featuring 20 built-in magnets to keep your phone secure even on the roughest roads. Designed exclusively for Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020, Super Duty from 2017 to 2021, and the Expedition, this mount is tailored to fit perfectly on OEM dashboards. The Kaishengyuan mount is crafted from CNC machined metal with a rubberized anti-slip base that protects your vent from scratches. The 360-degree rotating ball joint provides infinite adjustability, ensuring your phone is always at the perfect angle. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it a user-friendly option. Despite its strong magnetic field, it doesn't interfere with your phone's signal, allowing you to use navigation or take calls seamlessly. The Kaishengyuan mount's only downside is its compatibility limitations, as it's specifically designed for certain Ford models. However, its premium build quality, exceptional magnetic strength, and thoughtful design make it the best overall choice for your F-150. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use mount that doesn't compromise on quality, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.